Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Just want to say thank you for all the support, subscribes and likes and the nice comments. In this video we are going to be having a look at the IronWolf 8TB Pro. This is not a cheap hard drive. This is I found it on scan.co.uk for £240. On eBay you're going to be paying about £260. So let's not get this wrong guys, you can actually get a really decent GPU or a really decent CPU for this price. But I have one. We are going to have a look at its performance. It has 256 megabytes of cache. It has an RPM of 7,200. So let's just, because you know you've always got to open it up on camera, haven't you? Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. So it's open. So I'm just going to quickly put this into the machine and we'll have a look at its performance. Alright, so I'll see you guys in Windows. Okay, so we're in Windows. The first thing we need to do is initialize the hard drive. We do that by right clicking on the Windows and going to disk management. In here you can see that it's picked up the hard drive. So let's initialize it via GPT and click OK. Then we need to right click it again, create a new sample, and this is where we partition the drive. Click next, 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 next and finish. Unless you want to make a name or give the hard drive a letter of your choosing. As you can see then the hard drive is recognised within Windows, and when you go to File Explorer and go to this PC you can see that it's now drive D. And now what we're going to do is go to Disk Mark and see what the performance is of this drive. We just want to select number drive D again, because that is the IronWolf Pro, and then click all, and this is basically going to benchmark the drive. This might take a while, so I'll be back with the results. Alright, so that has just finished, and the results are actually quite impressive. We've got they're about 240 megabytes read and around 235 to 236 megabytes write speed, which is actually faster than the Western Digital Red 10TB Red I looked at a couple of days ago, by only about 20 megabytes. So if that's worth your money for an extra 20 megabyte speed, that's up to you, but that's the result, which is, for a mechanical drive it's not bad, but at the end of the day you are paying over £240 for this drive, so but it's worth it, it's up to you guys. But I'm going to transfer Halo Master Chief Collection, see how long it takes on my NVMe drive. On the Western Digital Red it took 8 minutes, so let's see how long it takes on the IronWolf Pro 8TB. Alright, so the time is 5 o'clock and we are going to move 82.1 gigabytes the Halo Master Chief Collection over to the IronWolf Pro. The Western Digital Red took 8 minutes, so let's see how long this takes. So we'll be back when this is finished. Okay, so we did that in about 6 minutes and 30 seconds, which is about, which is 1 minute and a half faster than the Western Digital Red we tested the other day. So if you're transferring a lot of files, maybe the IronWolf Pro has an advantage over the Western Digital Red series. Definitely really impressive. But if I were going to choose, a little bit of time over capacity, you can get a 10TB hard drive, which is cheaper, Western Digital Red, than the 8TB IronWolf Pro. That's my preference. I would just want to have more capacity. But let's wrap this video up. And there we have it guys, the 8TB IronWolf Pro. Let me know what you guys thought about it down in the comments. Keep, spreading the love and subscribing. This drive is better in rate optimization, multi-bay environments, but I did thought we'd have a look in like just a desktop PC environment. I have got another one of these, so if you want me to raid these together, so we can do like a 1 vs 2 sort of video, so we can raid it together and see the performance game having two of these drives raided together. Let me know if you want to see it down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.